produce table. Today will be a review slash cooking video. So we're gonna teach you guys how to make ice cream using our Cuisinart Ice Cream maker. And this was gifted to Grace last year for her birthday from Emily, who's our friend, and you guys have seen her on our channel quite a few times. I'll give you guys all the specs and details to using this machine, and we're also gonna be making some speculoos cookie butter ice cream. Grace made a batch of this yesterday and I just tried it today right before we started filming and it was fabulous. So let's go right to it and check out these ingredients. So here we have our Cuisinart, what is this called? Frozen yogurt sorbet and ice cream maker. So it makes all sorts of frozen things. Really cool. Here is the manual, which I will skip out on because I don't like to read manuals. There is a power button over here. And this is this the churner?
So that's what you put into the freezer bowl, and it's like a mixing arm. It doesn't move. Oh. But I think the ice cream gets churned with it.
With it, okay. We do have the freezer bowl in the freezer for now because we want it to stay very cold and not be defrosted. So you will see it in just a second. Okay, you want to wrap the freezer bowl in a plastic bag and place it into the freezer until it's completely frozen. When you shake it, there should be no sounds of liquid moving around. So it should stay in the freezer for around 6 to 24 hours. Now onto the ice cream. Combine milk and sugar in the chilled mixing bowl. And use a hand mixer on low speed to dissolve the sugar. Add your cookie butter and heavy cream, vanilla extract to the mixture. Oops. That's a lot. Ew, sounded gross. Continue to mix until it's well combined. Oh, it's really dissolving. Pull out the freezer bowl from the freezer and assemble the Cuisinart ice cream maker completely. This one?
Look, yeah.
Now we're going to turn it on and pour the ice cream mixture slowly into the freezer bowl and leave it in the bowl for about 20 to 25 minutes. Roughly crush about 8 Biscoff cookies, or more if you'd like. Now, during the last 5 minutes of mixing, add in the crushed Biscoff cookies into the ice cream maker. So cool. We're done. This looks so cool. Okay, how do we get this out? I'm struggling.
Lift it up.
Oh. Oh, okay. Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah.
Looks so good already. And when it's complete, the ice cream should be smooth. If you like the texture to be more firm, place the ice cream into an airtight container and freeze it for about 2 hours. The longer the better.
Oh my.
This looks so good. Oh, my head hurts from tying my hair. Oh my god, it looks so scary. Does my hair look funny?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's try this.
Ooh. See if it's as good as the first.
Can you show it?
Oh no, I did. It's so creamy.
So good.
I think it's better than Trader Joe's cookie butter ice cream.
I agree with you. I feel like this is a really good activity to do with your kids in the summer. Or yeah, in the summer.
I like this. I ate it like this the other day. It was so good.
Can I tell you something? I like this better than Grater's,
No way.
which is my favorite ice cream place.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. No way.
You guys, when I was in college and high school, I would have ice cream as my dinner. It was so unhealthy. I really like the chunks of this.
Right? I really like it.
So Grace actually made this recipe. Tell them how you made it.
So I researched it because Cuisinart comes with
Like a recipe book.
right. So I kind of based it off of their simple vanilla recipe. I just added cookie butter and Biscoff cookie to that, and that was just as good. Did a lot of research to find the perfect ratio.
I know she adjusted like the amount of heavy cream and the sugar. I think she pretty much lowered everything. That's a little healthier.
And
Kind of makes me want to buy one, but what's the point when you have it?
yeah, we can make it together.
It's so good.
Yeah.
We should try. If you guys like this, we can make frozen yogurt.
I was thinking of like a blueberry frozen yogurt.
What's wrong with your dog?
No. Hey dog. Essie? No? No response? Come here. Especially because we use whole milk for this. You have to use whole milk.
I forgot this is whole milk. It's just
So-
so beauty.
That's why it's good.
We have lots of new ideas coming with this Cuisinart ice cream maker. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions on the recipe or on the machine in general, please comment down below and we'll see you guys on our next video.